So it's a little weird trying to video some stuff right now, but just letting you capture a few of the new 2021 40IH, some of the new Tiffins here. They don't have a lot. They have some Phaetons, and they got a couple buses, but as you know, most of the things are sold out this year. So again, it's fun to look at new rigs, but I'm happy I got what I got, and hope you get a chance to get one for you. Really like this rig. Like the layout of it, all the windows. Obviously, very popular window over the galley that they're putting in all of them since 2019. Really nice. This 40IH, this is a 2021. Big shower.
You're gonna see it. This is nice. See, if I was looking to buy one, I would just make it take your own too. Because when you upgrade, take yours. Well, the 3709 I just traded in as a quite unit.
I love that rig. I love the opposing couches or the nice chairs, theater seats, and the love seat across from it. And I love the big galley window. I think it's beautiful, beautiful rig, beautiful colors. Hey, if you got some cash, come buy that thing. You'll enjoy it. So last year we were here at the Super Show and saw the Alliance, and they did not have a toy hauler. So I wanted to take a video of a toy hauler that they did. This should be brand new for this year, for 2021. So I'll take a clip of this toy hauler and let you see it. They got dual axles, triple axles, 38 feet, 42 feet. Anyway, let me get some shots for you. They really do a good job on the colors. Very nice. Big TV. Not a lot of room being it's a toy hauler back here, but it does have a bunk up there in a big garage area with a patio. Got an awning over the patio. And of course the TV. I don't see a place for the washer and dryer, but it may be up front, which would be nice so you don't lose the space for your toys. Oh, this is interesting. So just one little center support beam. It kind of opens it up a little bit. Big closet area. The closet area opens its way up. And it is a spot in here for a washer and dryer. You can see your hookups right here. Anyway, a good company, worth looking into if you're looking into a fifth wheel, and especially toy hauler, which is new to them. Big open bay areas here. Really nice. So get your coaxial cable. You got some 110 plugs. Here's your wet bay. Lots of storage. Man. Nice stove. This one's actually got an oven. TV, I love the wall covering. The big windows. These seats are surprisingly really comfortable. Nice and easy to maintain. Floor is incredible, no carpet, so seamless on the floors, you can tell. That's nice, take your shoes off coming in. Panels. Big bedroom, huge bath. Huge bathroom and closet. Nice big shower. Footstool. And you got your water hookups up here, so washer and dryer. Plenty of closet space. Huge, huge closet. So if you want bathroom space, you want a nice bed, bathroom, and big closet, I think this model is for you. And even the living space back here is really nice. Plenty of space. So if you haven't checked out the Paradigms, we did a video on this previously. I would recommend checking it out. They do a great job. And definitely I see them being a contender for some of the bigger manufacturers here very soon. Hey, there you have it. Another super show in the books from me. Hey, what'd you think about that Tiffin IH? That thing's beautiful. Also, the buses they had there, all beautiful products. They're still bringing it hard in the Class A arena. Love the Tiffin product, of course, I bought one. But we're pretty happy with our 37 PEA, and we're full-timing right now, getting settled into that. So I'm pretty happy with ours. But hey, if you're looking for a Class A diesel pusher, I'd check it out. The next one was the Alliance. You know, we brought a video last year on the Alliance fifth wheel, and if you're looking for a fifth wheel, I recommend you checking those guys out. Secondly, what'd you think about the VALOR? That VALOR toy hauler is really nice. It's as nice as anything that I see out there. So they definitely took customer inputs and designed their fifth wheels and toy haulers around what people want to see. So check those out. That VALOR is really nice, and I think you'll be super impressed. And from a couple people that I talked to, customer service, those guys, the owners are very personable right now. They are small and they're starting out, but they are really personable to everyone that comes through there. So again, hey, if you're in the fifth wheel and you want to get a fifth wheel toy hauler, it's worth your time to check them out. Hey, give us a thumbs up on this video, hit that subscribe button, come along on this journey with us. We are having a great time as we get started this new chapter in our life, and we want you to be a part of it. And until next time, seatbelts on.